The first test is super easy. You don't have to move anything or go outside. Just turn on your dryer, open your door and hold this button in, and then turn on your dryer so that the dryer is working with the door open. Just be really careful because it's going to be spinning. And then now we are going to test the airflow using the paper test. So all you need is any sheet of paper, and then while the dryer is on, it should be drawing air through this lint trap area. So the dryer is on, we grab our piece of paper, and you're going to want the paper to stick very strongly. It should be trying to get sucked through that lint tray, and that will indicate that you have good airflow. It doesn't mean you don't have a problem with your dryer or dryer vent system. It just simply rules out that there is no airflow. So you see how that paper's getting stuck on there good? If you have a dryer where the lint tray is on top like this one, it's a little bit easier because you don't have to open the door, but just hold the paper up to the opening, and again, it should be trying to get ripped through there really hard. So another test is you could just run your dryer and it shouldn't be super hot on top of your dryer. If it's like hot enough to fry an egg, then you probably have a clog. Next is going to be another easy one, but you are going to have to put your shoes on and go outside. Simply turn on your dryer, make sure it's running good, and now just go out to where it lets out. Only do this if where it lets out is accessible and safe for you to get to. If not, hire a professional, but it should be blowing nice and strong out there. If you turn on the dryer and you go to where it lets out and there's nothing happening, you could have an issue, and this could be really easy to solve. It could be a screen like this that would just simply completely clogged, and you could remove it and clean it off. But this is what happened at this one house. Here we go, doing dryer vent cleaning. Let's check what we're starting with. About 2. That's not good. We want to get to at least 10 for the dryer to work properly. So let's see what happens after we clean it. You might have your dryer vent on the roof. Where I am in Florida, most of the dryer vents are going to be on the roof like this. And again, it's the same thing. If you turn your dryer on and you go up to the roof like this one and there's no air coming out, it could be completely clogged. Either the whole vent is clogged, or it could be clogged with a big piece of lint around the opening, because once that starts, it just keeps building. Another thing that I see a lot is these screens. People are very careful not to have animals come in their house, but this is a very bad fire hazard because there is no airflow, and this screen is completely blocking all the air from coming out. So these 3 tests should give you an idea if your dryer vent is clogged or not. If your dryer passed these tests and your dryer is still not drying correctly, either try to clean it yourself or hire a professional. Thanks for watching.